Let's marinate chicken first. Ingredients for chicken marination: vinegar, white pepper powder, black pepper powder, salt, soy sauce, corn flour, all-purpose flour, chili flakes, ginger garlic paste, 2 eggs. Now add all the ingredients in a chicken and mix it well and marinate it for 10 minutes. Ingredients required for gravy: vinegar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken cube, chopped garlic, white pepper powder, black pepper powder, chili sauce, chili garlic sauce, ketchup, onions and capsicum cut in cube-shaped, chopped spring onions, salt as required. Now in a pot or pan add oil and chopped garlic and stir fry it until it gets golden brown. Now add cutted onions and capsicums and stir it well. Now add all the seasonings one by one and stir it. Also add a half teaspoon of sugar and mix it well. Now add 3 to 4 cups of water. And wait until it simmers. Now, in a bowl, take 3 tablespoons of corn flour and add water, then mix it well to make slurry. Slowly and gradually add the slurry in gravy and stir it well continuously to avoid making lumps, and adjust the consistency as desired. Add salt as required. Now add chicken in a gravy and mix it. In the end, add chopped spring onions, then mix it and cook it for 3 to 4 more minutes, then turn off the flame. Now garnish it with some sesame seeds and spring onions. And serve it with rice.